Let's talk about geometry, no? So let's look at the terms first. No? The first one is axiom, a statement accepted as true. So we accept that it is true, no? Axiom. So we have also a postulate, a statement assumed to be true as a basis for an argument. So postulate meaning we just assume that it is true, no? So let's say this line is straight. For the sake of argument, we will assume that it is straight. Okay, so hypothesis, an unproved theory tentatively accepted to explain certain facts. So hypothesis is just a guess, no? Meaning okay, gravity is something muna. So si Albert Einstein hypothesize nga mo na siyang gravity. Okay? So muna nga gravity. Okay, theorem. A proposition that can be proven from certain premises. So a theorem is almost like a theory, no? So naa siya certain na premise, no? To be accepted as true, or that can be proven. A corollary is a proposition that follows from one already proven or proved. Okay. So angles, we have altitude of a triangle is a perpendicular height, no? From any vertex of a triangle to the side opposite. Angle is the opening between two straight lines drawn from the same point. Okay, so these are the types of angles, no? Acute angles, it is less than 90, right? Angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. So an obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 but less than 180. Straight angle is angle that is exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle is greater than 180 but less than 360. A full angle is angle that is exactly 360. So muna siya. Okay? If you notice, muna siya ang iyang figure. Okay? So apotem is the radius of the inscribed circle of a polygon. Inscribed, no? So suod ni siya, no? If we will draw a circle inside, so kung naka-radius mo na ang what we call an apotem. The circle, a closed plane curve every point which is equally distant from point in the plane of the curve. So we'll talk about circle later on as analytic geometry. So important parts of a circle, we have what we call a secant, a radius, a distance from the center of the circle to its outer rim. A chord, a line segment whose endpoints are on a circle. Diameter, chord that passes through the center of the circle. So ang difference lang nila sa chord is ang diameter. You could say that the chord is a diameter if it passes through the center. So the length of the diameter is 2 times the length of the radius. Okay? So tangent, secant mo na siya, mo pass siya, no? It's like a chord, no? Pero it's a line that passes through, okay, the circle. Okay? So a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. So if it passes through the center, we can consider it as a diameter, no? A line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point, no? So tangent, only 1 point again. So the point of tangency is the point where a tangent line touches the circle. So the tangent ray TP, P and P, it's called tangents, no? So muna siya, important circle parts. We have tangent circles, no? That the 1 point touching, no? Muna siya nag-touch ang isa. Concentric meaning they have the same centers, no? Congruent meaning they have the same radius. That means they have the same diameter, no? Or the same size. Okay, 2 or more circles that intersects at 1 point. Concentric, 2 or more circles that have same center but different radii. Okay. Congruent circles, 2 or more circles, same radius but different centers. Okay. Muna na yung ganina, no? We already, I think the new one here is what we call the annulus, no? So meaning kaninga part sa inside the 2 circles, no? You have 2 concentric circles. The area between that one is what we call the annulus. Okay. If it is 1/4 of the circle, we call it a quadrant. Okay. Okay, if we have a certain pi of the circle, we call it a circle. It's a pi, so sector na siya. Okay, so complementary angles, two angles, so sum is equal to right angle. Now, if we add two angles and then we get a right angle, we call it complementary. If the two angles, if we add the two angles and then they add up to 180, we call it supplementary. Okay, so it's also a term what we call a diagonal, a line joining two consecutive, non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So kani siya from here to here, diagonal gihapon na siya, no? From here to here. Basta dili lang siya consecutive. Square may minimum, no? So ana diagonal. Hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle of a right triangle. So if you have a right triangle here, okay, and this is the right angle, so this is the hypotenuse here. Okay, muna siya diyan. Isosceles triangle which has two equal sides. Okay, so that means two equal sides. No? So ana, no? If the two sides are equal, kani and kani, equal nindo ha, so we call it an isosceles. Locus, a figure containing all the points and only those points which fulfill a given requirement. Okay. So all the points. Okay. So lines, parallel lines are lines that lie in the same plane and do not meet, however far extended. So, ano siya, no? All these things we're discussing is taken from Euclid, no? From Euclid. So the Gandication postulates mo, no? Muna, lines that lie in the same plane do not meet, however far extended, muna parallel lines. But what if the line is curved? Muna siya, no? Muna yung mga, niya, mga postulates ng England. Okay. Sige, parallelogram, quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. Perimeter, the sum of the lengths of the sides of a polygon. Perpendicular line which cuts another line so as to make two adjacent angles. So again, perpendicular meaning na i-cut siya, no? So okay. Perpendicular. Okay? Ano itong mga polygons, no? Closed plane figure bounded by straight lines. Okay, if there are three sides, we have triangle. If there are four, quadrilateral. If there are five, pentagon, six, hexagon, so on and so forth. Okay, so closed. We also define a polygon as a closed broken line. Okay, closed broken line. We have regular polygons. We have polygon whose angles are equal and all those sides are equal. Okay, if the angles are equal, so mingon ta no, pareha sila, no? Not really sa drawing ako, pero if all the three sides are equal mo na siya. That means duha ra gani. It's not the same, no? Yana, no? It's not a regular polygon. Okay? So similar polygons whose corresponding angles are equal, whose corresponding sides are proportional. So mingon tag similar, it doesn't mean let's say no? The triangle. So we have a very big triangle, naka-angle diha. Smaller na triangle if this angle is similar to this angle, similar polygons na sila, no? Three sides, we call it a trigon or a triangle. Plane figure bounded by three straight lines. Or a polygon with three sides. Quadrilateral, a polygon with four sides. You could have it as a square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, so on and so forth. Rectangle is a parallelogram whose angles are right angles. So if we have all the angles as right angles, rectangle na siya, no? So special form of a rectangle is a square. No? A rhomboid is a parallelogram with oblique angles and only the opposite sides equal. Okay? So kani equal rin ang sides rin. No? Okay, rhombus an equilateral parallelogram. Trapezoid a quadrilateral with two and only two of whose sides are parallel. Trapezoid. Muna ipasabot niya. Two and only two. So pareha niya. Okay, 5 sides, pentagon. We already said this one. No? So 10 sides, we have decagon. 15, we have pentadecagon. So if they 16, hexadecagon. So, kamo na lang, fill in the blanks, no? So we have trapezoids muna siya, no? We have acute trapezoid, we have a right trapezoid, we have obtuse. We can also have a parallelogram, rhombus, we have a square, rectangle, muna siya, no? Forms niya. Trapezium. Okay. So kanang tanan we call it trapezoids, but if we have one figure muna siya, trapezium. Okay. So 16, we have supplementary angles. 2 angles whose sum is equal to 2 right angles. We already said this, no? So 17, we have tangent, the straight line which meets a curve only at one point. Okay, we already also said this one, no? Regarding circles. No? So vertical angles, opposite angles of two intersecting lines. So there are two intersecting lines. So kani mo na siya ang vertical angle. Okay? Pi, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Okay? So, nakakuha ko documentary yan kuan ba? Nganong how they came up ba with this pi. No? So, example, sa batong kuan. Say you have a square, no? So may ratio niya sa sides niya, no? Sa diagonal kaning side with relation sa iyang perimeter, no? So sunod, what if it is a pentagon? Kaya nga regular siya, no? All the sides are equal. So slowly increasing until gamay na lagi kayo, no? 8. And so on and so forth. Kagan. So they came up no to nga mga kuan, I think Taguras mo dito. I'm not sure, no? I forgot already the name. Basta they came up nga mo ni pi, no? Ang yang ratio of proportionality. Okay, 20, right isosceles triangle. Right triangle whose legs are equal. So polyhedron is solid with many faces. So if it's already a solid, no? Let's say a cube, no? That's what we call a polyhedron. No? Cube, it's many faces. So straight line, let's look at straight lines. The first one, we have if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the three conditions will necessarily follow. No? So nakay duha ka parallel lines. No? This one and this one. Oh my god. Okay, anyway. So this one and this line, no? Then cut by a transversal. Kani mo transversal. Okay, what will happen? So alternate interior angles are equal, no? So alternate interior angles are equal, no? Kani o kani. This one and this one are equal. Okay? So exterior interior angles are equal. So exterior and interior angles are equal. Okay? Angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So that means if this one and same side man, no? So if this one and this one supplementary, that means they add up to 180. Okay? So if a line is perpendicular to one of the two parallel lines, it is perpendicular to the other also. So kung perpendicular siya aning line, no? Aning line, perpendicular siya aning line. Kung parallel lang daw ka linya, no? Okay? So, any point in the perpendicular bisector of a line is equally distant from the extremities of the line. Okay, so if you have a line, no, if any point in the perpendicular bisector, so this is a perpendicular bisector, you know, because it is perpendicular to this one, this line. I-bisect niya. So pareha lang siya, equal lang siya ng distance. Kani. Okay? So 2 points each equally distance from extremities of a line determines the perpendicular bisector of a line. Okay, 2 points each equally distance, no? Kani ana, 2 points equally distance kani o kani. Equally distance from here. Lapas, sorry. Wait. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, let's have an example. Solve for the area of the annulus. So muna ni given, you know, 10 inch. Okay? Sa may area ni. Kani ha, nga annulus kani. Okay, so by Pythagorean theorem, so muna atong kono, no. So nakay from this center here, pila man nga distance mo ni r, no. Then kani because this is 10, total nga 10. So that means kani 5 ani siya diri. Okay, so at least na natayo sa, no. Then this one, the hypotenuse is the radius of the outer circle. Okay? So with that, mo ng first equation na to. So r squared, by using Pythagorean theorem, so r squared, r squared minus, kay if we add magulo, r squared plus 5 squared is equal to r's, na big squared. No? So mo na gi-minus siya, no? Gi-rearrange na ni siya mo, yun na niya naitabo. Okay? So the area is yung pi r squared, no, kay minus man no, kani nga big nga area minus the small area, right? So mo na ang atong formula. That means big area minus small area, mo na siya. And then we can collect like terms, diba? Kani pi same naman siya. So r mahabilin i-distributive property, gikuha na to, we have pi times quantity r squared minus r squared. We already have this one, this value, right? So mo na siya equal to 25. So i-value na ito na lang i-substitute, di ba? So pi times 25, we have 78.54 inch. Okay? So mo na siya ang solution niya. Okay? Any questions so far?
Wala na, sir.
Sige, hearing none. Sige, thank you. So we have properties of triangles, no? So basically geometry usually ano siya, no? Shapes, no? So we're focusing, no, at primero line, sunod lines, then triangle, magkanong kadaghan, no? So the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 2 right angles, no? Kani if we add three angles, no, you will add up to 180. Okay? So we have the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. The difference is less than the third side. Okay, so if we add the sum, no, if we add two sides, it will always be greater than the third one. Okay, so muna siya pasabot na. So 3, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite are unequal and the greater angle is opposite the greater side. So muna siya, no. So kung unsa nga largest siya nga angle, longest side pud siya. Ang opposite niya. Okay, ina na siya. What it means. So number 4, if two sides of a triangle are equal, so the angles opposite each sides are equal and conversely. So the bisector of the angles of a triangle meet at a point which is center of the inscribed circle. So I think may figure wala. Anyway, sige lang. So meaning na So we have naki-triangle atong i-bisect ni siya. So meet gid siya diri somewhere dito nga. Mali pasabot niya. Perpendicular bisector with sides of a triangle meet at the point which is the center of the circumscribed circle. So if kanto ganina atong picture butangan natong circle mo nagito siya center. So that means if you have a circle, naghimo lang ka og triangle dito nga ana, then imo lang iana. Palitan ko na imong center, muna siya ang imong center. Center sa imong circle. Okay? The median of a triangle are concurrent at a point which is 2/3 of the distance from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Median man. The two angles on included side one are equal respectively to two angles in the included of the angle of the other two. So mo to ganin yun, no? So similar, congruent man, no? Okay, congruent meaning parehas lagi dako, no? Okay, they're just stating the facts, no? So two triangles are congruent, two sides of the included angle one are equal respectively to two sides of the included angle of the other. Triangles are congruent, three sides of one are equal respectively to the three sides of the other. So muna, stating the facts, no, of kunduhan na siya sa may conditions, no? Kada ka triangle, sa may conditions niya, muna na tulo ka conditions. So right triangle, theorem of Pythagoras. In any right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So gamit ka ganing Pythagorean theorem. So the sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Okay. Two right triangles are equal if a side and the hypotenuse of one is equal respectively to side and the hypotenuse of the other. Okay. So pareha no. First, basically this stating the fact. So Euclid, sometimes give the name Euclid of Alexandria. So Greek mathematician often referred to as the founder of geometry. Okay, so nato siya gihimo nga ba no, the elements, no? Mga postulates niya. Okay, let's have an example. What is the side of a square having a diagonal of 8? So you have a square, yan naka diagonal of 8. So we know kaning square man, so x parehang sides, no? So that means if we add two sides, x squared plus x squared is equal to 8 inches. So 8 squared inch, 8 inch squared. So we have 2x squared is equal to 64. So we have divided by 2, we have x squared is equal to 32. Square root na to, we have 5.656 inch. Okay? So muna siya. So similar triangles, two triangles are similar if the angles of one are respectively equal to the angle of the other, or if two angles of one are respectively equal to two angles of the other. So angles lang kay bonita similar na sila. So these three postulates or statements describe two similar triangles. Similar, no? So two angles are two triangles similar to angle of one. So, pareha na sila. So similar na siya. Their sides are in the same ratio. So sides ano same ratio. Same ratio, not equal. Doesn't mean equal. So if the sides are respectively parallel. Okay, kani parallel. Okay. So two triangles are similar if their sides are respectively perpendicular to each other. Okay. So muna siya, no? So kaning ADE is similar to ACBA. Okay? Okay, muna siya, perpendicular to each other. So kanisad, no? Perpendicular to each other. So kani nga triangle perpendicular ani. Okay.
Okay, we will now go to polygons. No, the first one is the properties niya. No, so the sum of the interior angles of a polygon of n sides is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So kuha ni siya, no? Mo na atong formula nga gamiton, no? So kani siya to n minus 2 quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So for example, if there are 5 sides, so 5 minus 2, 3 times 180. So muna siya ang atong sum, no, of the interior angles. So each interior angle, ang interior angle is kaning for example ana, no, pentagon, kani siya, no, interior angle. Anyway, so corresponding parts of congruent figures are equal. So of course, no, congruent man sila. So let's have an example. So how many sides has an equilateral polygon if each interior angle is 165 degrees? Okay, so given ta sa interior angle, theta is equal to n minus 2 times 180 over n. So we have given the 165 degrees and then equal to n minus 2 over n, so times 180. So transposing the terms, so we get kani balhin nga to pikas, no, kani para ma-eliminate na to. Then 165n is equal to 180n, kani distribute sa ni siya, no. So 180 times 180 times n, then 180 times 2. So i-transpose na sa to the other side, or pwede sa ganing 360, no, ibalhin lang nato, no. So we get 15n is equal to 360. So 360 divided by 15, so we get n equal to 24. Okay, so mo ni ang answer. Okay, so simple ra kayo, no. So circles, no, we will now go to circles, no. So 3 points, through 3 points, not in a straight line, one circle and only one circle can be drawn. So mga kanino, mga postulates, no. So 2, a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to radius at the point of tangency, and conversely, no. So a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. So mo na nga ganahan ta og parallel line, no, to any, kung nakay point niya maghimo ta og circle kay para maka-create ta, no, one point rugged, no. So the tangents to a circle drawn from an external point are equal and make equal angles with the line joining the point to the center. So mo ni siya, no, kani equal ni silang duha ka line, then kaning angles duha sa equal sa ni. Okay? So 4, an inscribed angle is measured by 1/2 of the intercepted arc. Okay, so produces this angle, rather, no, angle here. So and then kaning ends nga na butangan na to, no, kaning ends sa tagline from this here to any point, no, bisag asa nga point kana from here kita, no, ang tagline from here to the edge ana, and then nga resad, no. So kani right angle ni siya, no, kana right angle na siya dia. Okay, right angle na. Okay. And next, if two chords intersect in a circle, the product of the segments of one is equal to the product of the segments of the other. Okay, so example kani, no. So A times B kani, A times B kani na length is equal to kani C times D, no? Okay, so muna siya meaning ana. So nadiri ang atong equation, no, or atong formula. 7, the circumference of two circles are in the same ratio as the radii, no. Then the arcs of two circles subtended by the equal central angles are in the same ratio as their radii. Okay, next. Okay, so kuha na ta. Humanatas mga postulates. Nari na sa das measurements, no? Simple ra ni, no? So square area is equal to a squared, no? Ang side niya, no? Muna kuan control P. No, ang sides ra i-multiply ra or square, no? And then ang perimeter, so 4a, no? Pat ka sides, no? 1 2 3 4, no? So mo nang 4a siya. Okay, so rectangle almost the same, no? Pero lahi-lahi man siya og sizes, no? Ang two sides niya, no? So mo nang the area is equal to a, no? Side a times b. Okay? Then ang perimeter niya is 2a plus 2b. So mo nang sa square 4a siya kay ang iyang a kani b is instead of b a magyapon siya, so mo nang 4a. So parallelogram, so mo ra gyapon, no? Base times height, no? So before ang ako ra yung timan-an area is equal to the base times the height, no? So kuan lang, no? Whatever it is, no? For example, mo adla ko conditions, no? So kani base times height gyapon, no? Base, but ang base duha man kabuok, no? So i-average na kung duha, no? So base gyapon, no? Base times height. Okay? Ngarita sa rectangle ug square, base times height. The base times height, di ba? Same ra gyapon sila tanan, basta area. Okay? So hangtod karon, no, pila na ka tuig makinumdum gyapon ko base times height, di gid na malimtan, no. Pero again, kaning trapezoid lahi-lahi man siya og base. So na upper base and then na say high na say sa taas, no. So i-average lang. Okay, so triangle. So we have mo na base times height gyapon, no. So base times height pero half lang siya, no. Katunga ra man siya sa rectangle, no. Bantay mo. Ato ning i-project dara mo ra gyapon, no. Okay. So if you have three sides, no, for example, given ka sa triangle, no, kita gisugo mo sa inyong boss. Dong, ngadto ngadtong kuan ha, naay triangular nga area ngadto. Pangitaa ang kuan na, ang area na nga space, no. Dumay kay nga natara, no. So given ka kani ug kani. Ang three sides given ka. So how do you get the area, no? So gamitan sa nimo og semi-perimeter. So Heron's formula ni siya, no. So ang semi-perimeter is you just add the three sides. So A, B, and C, no? A, B, and C. Then you add them, divide that by 2. So mora na siya, no? Okay? Heron's formula. So muna na ang S na to. Okay? Now, ang atong formula for the area is kani, no? Square root of S. So na S times quantity S minus A times quantity S minus B times quantity S minus C. So gamitin na lang ani nga formula, no, kung naamoy triangle, no, nga given three sides. Okay? So ni gid tanan nga naingunani, no, nga nay base and height, no. So nagsaragi kay na mahitabo, no. Okay, so we have ang circle pod, we have area is equal to pi r squared. And then if you are given the diameter, so pi d squared over 4, no? So ang reason na ni is kaning d, kuha man gud ni, ang d is over 2, ang r is d over 2. Nig-square na niya kani ma 4 na ni siya, no? So mo na siya nga pi d squared over 4. Basic ra na, no? So I hope you know that already, no? If not, that's sad. Anyway, circumference, this is the length of the rounding curve. Okay, so 2 pi r or pi d, no? So kaning 2r is d man na siya, no? So munang pi d siya. Sector is the area formed by two radii, no? So two radii kay radius dere ang kuan. Ngara then kanipod here. So kaning na-enclose ani niya mo na siya ang sector. Okay, so area of the sector is equal to 1/2 r squared theta. So if ang kaning ko ano the rest no kita hay given ka sa kon ang not the area no not the area kay namay ana no. So ang anti-area na niya is 1/2 r squared alpha no. Assuming nga kani mo ning alpha diri. So 360 minus theta na siya no. Then so pi should be in radians no. So S is equal to r theta. Ay kalimot radians na siya ha. Take note good that of always no. So we have segment. So kaning segment if you have a chord no nga that passes through the ends of this ko ano two radii no. So kana o gani. So kani siya nga area diri no nga kuan siya. Gagi-enclose sa circle here. Mo na siya atong segment no. Okay, so ang segment is area of the sector. We already discussed it previously, and then minus the area of the triangle. No? So in that case, ang area is 1/2 r squared theta minus AB over 2. So mag-shortcut na lang ta, no? So area is equal to 1/2 r theta, theta minus sin theta. Kaya kaning AB over AB is sin theta man no? Okay? Kuha ni siya no gigamitan ni og trigonometric ano properties no? So unya na lang ta mag-discuss ra niya ta na later. Okay, and then ellipse no. Shortcut ani niya area is equal to AB no. For example, mingon mo nga compute the area o using differential calculus makita mo yung ani pi AB ra na siya no. So ang iyang circumference is approximately equal to kani no 2 pi no times the square root of a squared plus b squared over 2. So makalimot ang mnemonics ninyo ani ang kuan Pythagorean theorem no. Di day. Kani Pythagorean theorem pero over 2 lang no. And then square root and then times 2 pi no. Okay, kuan lang gyud. Please use mnemonics no or things that will make memorization easier for you. Okay, parabolic segment. So A is equal to 2/3 LD. So shortcut kaya po no. So makakita kayo mo yung nani. Solve for the area of the parabola with the equation yung nana. Pwede rin ninyo gamitan ani no. A is equal to 2/3 LD. No? So ang L ang iyang opening dira. So kita gi-graph na siya, makita ninyo ang L diri. Then ang height niya makita sa ninyo. Ikani na gamitan nga formula no. Mahuman mo dayon. Diba? So labi na ko ano, kung di kayo mo maayo sa kuan analytic geometry, may pag shortcut na lang mo no. Mas maka-kuan pa mo no. Maka-answer mo dayon. Okay? So let's have an example. So find the area of the triangle whose sides are 25. So nakay 25 diri. 25 then 39 and 40. Okay. Actually, kung atonin ko no nara ni somewhere diri no, ana na siya. Pero anyway, sige lang, mura may ko ano, ato lang represent ani. So using Heron's formula, so we discussed it earlier no. So S we have to compute for the semi-perimeter no. So S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. So 25 plus 39 plus 40 over 2, we have 52. Okay, 52 as the S here, we will use S. A is equal, the area would be equal to the square root of S, which is 52, then times S minus A times quantity S minus B minus times S minus C. So substituting, we have this one, no? So 52 minus 25, 52 minus 39, 52 minus 40. So we have the area as area equal to this, no? 468 square units, no? Because we're not we did not specify what that is, no? Muna na siya, no? Another example. So the area of a circle is, so we're given the area here, no? 89.42 square inch. So what is the circumference? So given tas a circle, then ang area niya is 89, no? 42. So what is our circumference, no? 3K gamay, no? No, pila ni siya diri. So paano na nato, no? Substitute ra nato. A is equal to pi r squared. So we are trying to get the radius first, no? Okay, so we have r is equal to 5.335. So we got this one, no? So gi-square root nato ang pi, gi-divide nato nga ri sa 89. Then square root mo ng r. So ingon man ta nga c is equal to 2 pi r. So we have c is equal to 2 times pi times 5.335. So we get the value of c equal to 33.52. So another example, no, a goat is tied to corner of a 30 feet by 35 feet building. So naa kay building 35 feet. So a goat is tied to a corner of a 30. So ngari siya gibutang, no. Ang usa is 30. Kani siya 30 ni siya. 30 feet. Then kani 35 feet, no? If the rope is 40 feet long, okay? If the rope, no, 40 feet long, and the goat can reach 1 foot farther than rope length, what is the maximum area that the goat can cover? So kuan siya, no, ngari ana magkuan siya, no, iyang kuno, no, 40 feet. So ngari, then 1 foot further pa gyud, so 41 na siya, no? Tricky gamay, no? So kay 40 na ang rope, then napagi 1, so 41 day. So muana siya, no? Ana siya, no? Mutuyok siya. Nya ana, di ba? Magsirisuroy maginang ko, ano, kanding. Kasi muna. So muna ang imong muna tong visualization sa problem, no? Okay, so let's look at the solution. So ang area nga atong na-identify is kani nga first one, no? Kani nga first one, 1/4 ra ni siya, no? So 1/4 sa area. So pi, then ang iyang d, ang iyang radius is 11, no? So kani nga kuan kay 41 man, di ba? 41 minus 30, so mo na ning 11, no? So 11 squared, then 1/4 ra siya, no? Then karon kanina pod, no? So unsa man ni siya? So 41 ang rope, no? 41, then tulo man 3/4, no? 3/4. So 3/4 mo na 3/4 siya, and then pi times 41 squared. Okay, so kani pa gyud, napagyud sa gamay kayo, no? Okay. Okay, so 1/4 gyapon siya, no? Pero kani siya 35 man, no? So 41 minus 35, so mo na ni siyang 6, no? Okay? So adding up all the areas, mo na ni siya, no? So kani kani dire, kani og kani. So, gubot na kayo. Okay? So we finally got the final area, which is area is equal to 4,084 feet. So we will now go to solid, no? Solid mensuration. So muna akong ganahan kay nga subject sa una, no? Solid mensuration. Anyway, so solid geometry is the study of figures of 3 dimension. So we have this one, we call it a cube. So the volume is a cube. Then the surface area is 6a squared, no? So kay naman ni kaning usa diri, no? Kaning usa ka face is a squared man, no? Then unom ka buok, so 6, no? 6a squared. Okay, so again, ang surface area is kanino? Kaning one face lang, no? Okay. Volume is tubuok, no? Sa iyang volume. So rectangular parallelepiped, no? So we have 2AB. So puli-pulihon na nato, no? AB, AC, and then BC, no? Ang tulo ka buok kay A, B, and C, no? Okay, kung lumber gani, remember ang iyang kuan is kuan na, no? Board foot na siya, no? Gani. Board foot. So man ng board foot. So the length in feet times the width in feet times the thickness, no? In inch. Okay? Again, length in feet width times width in feet times the thickness in inch. Ang usa na inch, no? So kita na kay let's say 6 feet, usually 6 feet man na, no? 6 feet. Then na kay usually ani kuan na let's say 1/2, no, or 2/2, no? So 6 feet times ang 12 i-divide og 2, so you have kuan, no? Rather 12 inches divided by or 1 foot divided by 12 times 2, no? Kay 2 inch man. So mo na siya. So kung pila yung makuha na times 6 feet times 2 inches. Okay? So mo na siya computation diha. So makancel man ang 6, no? So 1/6, 6, 2. So 2 ra ka board foot, no? So yun na siya pang compute. Okay? Then next, we have a cylinder, no? A cylinder is not all circular, no? Pwede sa jiyag na kumpol ingon ani, no? Nalumping gamay. Ang iyang kuan is volume niya is area of the base. Okay? Area gyapon, base. So base times height gyapon, no? Base times height. Pero karon this time area na, no? Area of the base times height. So kung kani, di mo sure kung unsa ni siya, gamitan og calculus, no? Lisod-lisod gyud ba, no? So calculus and then area times height na dayon. Okay. So we have also if the cross section is circular, this one. So we have pi r squared h, no? So ang kani is the area of the base times the height. Okay? We have what we call the lateral surface area. Kani siya circumference ni siya, no? Circumference times the height. So lateral, no, wala gi appeal ni diri, no? Kanirang sa side, no? Kanirang sa side. Mora ang covered, no? Okay? Then we have a cone. Then kuan ang cone is 1/3, no? So if you notice, pareha ra siya kuan sa cylinder pero 1/3 ra siya, no? So ana siya, mo ni atong kuan sweet spot 1/3, no? 1/3 mo na atong timan-an. 1/3 ra siya sa cylinder, no? Okay? So same sad sa kuan, no? Kung pyramid siya, so 1/3 ra sad, no? 1/3 of the area times the height. Kay it could be ang pyramid na to, kung ano, pwede mo sag triangle ang kuan, di ba? Pwede mo sag triangle, pwede sag pentagon, no? Okay, so kuan lang good. Use prudence, no? So kuan, no, lateral surface area, so 1/2 CL, no? Kuan na ni approximation ni siya, no? So 1/2 CL. Okay? Then ang C circumference man, so 2 pi r, no? Then ang L is r squared plus h squared. Okay? Square root, no? Square root of the square of the r and the height. Okay? So if you know the height, if you know rather you know the length here, no? Kani, if you know the length here, so mas maayo, no? Dali ra. But if not, you have to use the square root, no? R squared plus H. So kani nga formula. Okay, so next. Okay, so frustum, no? So it's a cylinder or a cone rather that is cut, no? Or pyramid that is cut, no? Muna frustum, no? So we have a V, the volume equal to H over 3, so 1/3 yapon, no? So H, the height divided by 3 times quantity A1, area 1, no? Area of 1 plus area at 2 plus the square root of area 1 times area 2. Okay? So kani mo na siya i-add lang nato ni, no? Then the surface area kung kuano sa sphere na din no. So kani siya mo ni siya sa sige na ni frustum, no? Sa sphere volume is 4/3 pi over r. Pi r cube, no? Sorry. So SA, the surface area is equal to 4 pi times r squared, no? Or the radius niya. So kung naka-irregular polyhedron that is inscribed, no? The radius of an inscribed sphere mo na siya. R is equal to 3V over A total, no? Okay? So spherical segment, no? So we have the volume here. So pi h squared over 3, then times quantity 3r minus h. And zone, or which ang zone, instead of using surface area, we say a zone. So we have 2 pi r h. So prism, base is a polygon and the side is a parallelogram. Okay? So side parallelogram, no? Kani? So kani side niya, no? Parallelogram siya. From base niya, polygons could be a square, rectangle, or pentagon, or whatever, no? So V is equal to area times height, gyapon, no? Area of the base times height. Okay? Kani truncated prism, so you'll just have to get the average of the heights, no? So simple ra, no? H1 plus H2 plus H3 over 3. So kung upat siya, kung prism nga rectangular, so upat sad gabok imong i-add nya divide og 4. Okay? Then imong volume is area of the base times the height. So kung rectangle, triangle siya, 1/2 base times height, no? Or gamitan nimo Hero's formula, no? And then if you have kaning rectangle, you already know the formula. So times height, which is this one, no? Okay? We have the paraboloid of revolution. So ang parabola gi-revolve, no? So volume is equal to pi h d squared over 8. So h is here, this one, the height. Then ang d is the diameter, no? Or itong base niya before, no? Okay? Divide og 8. Okay? Remember to divide it by 8. Okay, so one an example na to, no? Square foot steel plate with 1 inch thickness weighs 5 pounds. For steel plate having 10 feet by 4 feet by 3/8 inch thickness, how much is the weight? Okay, so with this problem, so ingon siya nga nakay square foot, no? So 1 foot, 1 foot, wala niya, 1/8 inch. So kuon sa natong volume niya, no? Pila man ang volume. Then next time, next is kuhaon na to ang yang mass, no? Kay ingon man siya nga 5 pounds ang mass niya. So M over V mo na, no? So mo na ni siya, no? So density na, no? We want to get the density, no? So mass over volume is the density, no? Okay? So mo na ni siya ron, no? So kani mo na ni, no? Rho is equal to W, or the weight, divided by the volume. Okay? So ang so volume is equal to kanina 1 foot times 1 foot kuan na, no? amo na ni 12 kanina day 12 yang i-convert din no. Convert niya to 12 para inch no. So mo na ni ang iyang volume. So 18 inch cube. Then ang iyang density is 5 pounds over 18. We have 0.278 pounds per cubic inch. So mo usual nga kuan no. Mo usual niya nga density no sa iron. Okay, so after getting the density, karon natay 10 feet by 4 feet by 3/8 nga plate no. Then mo na ni no. So kung ano sa nato ang volume niya no. So 10 feet times 12 then 4 feet times 12 times 3/8 no. So you have 2,160 inch cube. So ang atong weight i-multiply na to sa density niya, the density that we got earlier. So we have 2,160 cubic inch times 0.278 pounds per cubic inch. So makancel out ang inch here. So mahabilin ang 600 pounds. Okay, so imagine lang no, 300 kilos, mga unom ni kasakong bugas no. So ipatong-patong na siya alsa hasway alsa no. So mo na gibugaton niya. Basta mo 3/8 inch na baga na kanin 3/8 almost 1 inch na ni no. Ang 1/8 inch gani baga na no. Kani nga 1/8 baga na siya. How much more ang kuan no? Kaning 3/8 na baga na gid na. A cylindrical tank no, nakay cylindrical tank 6 meters long and 4 meters in diameter is placed horizontally. So imagine lang no, gipahigda nimo no. The tank is less than half full. So inyo gidimandaan no. Kasi moingon siya more than half full. So makuan gyapon makuan mo, malibog niya mo no. So ingon siya less than half full. So what is the depth of the water in the tank? If the surface area of the water is 2 meters wide. So ingon siya nga 2 meters wide kani. Okay, so again 6 meters long and then 4 meters in diameter. And then we're trying to get the height no kani pila may depth ani niyang tubig ani here no. Okay, so let's proceed to the solution. So by Pythagorean theorem, so we just connect no we just connect this one here kani nga line to the radius no kani ang radius ni siya diri no. Then ano ni siya ang atong triangle no. So we know nga 2 ni siya kay ang diameter na to 2 man no. So we have we want to get this height here no kani from here to here. Okay? Then mo ni siya ang height niya 1.732. That means i-minus nato from 2. So we will get the height of 0.268 meters. So mo ni ang answer no. Okay, so maglisod-lisod pa gyud. Find the volume of the water in the tank, no? So volume of water in the tank. So kani nga kuha na naman tay area, no? Kuha naman natong rather ang height ani niya or rather yeah, we already got this one. So we'll go back sa kuha no. Katong sector, no? Sector, area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Okay, so times lang nato sa volume niya or rather the length niya, no? So we have B is equal to 2. Then A here is kanino? Kana suwat mo diha no. Okay? Then nakay triangle kani no. So area of the sector kani minus area of the triangle. So kaning area. So mo na ni siya ron. Okay, so it would come out that the volume is 2.174 cubic meters. Cubical container that measures 2 inch no on the side is tightly packed no with 8 marbles and filled with water. All the 8 marbles are in contact with the walls of the container and the adjacent marbles. All of the marbles are of the same size no. Then what is the volume of the water in the container? So mo na ni siya no. Nakay 2 inch 2 inch no for the what you call this, the side, no? Kay cube man ni siya, no? Then ang marbles, 8 ka buok. So kung magtanaw ta, 4 on this side here and then 4 on the other side. So meaning mao na may abot siya og 8, no? So karon ang marble ani niya, pila man day ang radius sa marble. So kung upat ka buok, i-divide na to og 4 ang 2, no? So we have the radius of 0.5. Okay? So volume of the container minus the volume of the marbles. Mo na siya kaning container minus na to sa volume sa marbles. So 2 cube minus 4/3 pi r cube times 8, no? Kay 8 man sila ka buo ka marbles. So it would come out that the volume of the water is 3.811 cubic inch. So mo na itong units of volume, no? Ang English system is cubic foot cube, no? Then we have cubic meters for the metric and SI cubic meters also, no? Then nasa sa English we have cubic inch and cubic yards, and then gallons also, no? Gallons kasagaran na to, no? Mo na nga ngadto sa probinsya mingon nga kuha ra tong galon ngadto sa kuan. So mo na siya, no? Gallons ang unit of measure na siya, no? So kay kadto kung kuan sa na mga natoy mga 5 gallon ay 1 gallon, no? So sa metric nasa cubic millimeters, kaning cubic centimeters. So kani mo ni ang cc, no? Mingog cc muna, no? Cubic centimeters na. Then napoy liters. Ang liters mo usual na to nga gigamit sa ano kay paggasolina ta. Okay, and then mo ni siya atong conversion, no? 1 cubic foot is 1728. So ang 12 gi-cube lang, no? 12 cube, no? So nasa kay ang 1 cubic foot is 7.481 gallons, no? Then 1 gallon, ang conversion niya is 3.7854 liters. Timan-an ganin ninyo, no? Okay? Ang tayo gitawag og barrels, no? So 42 gallons na siya, no? Just pakapin nga example, so how many cubic meters is 100 gallons? So we have 100 gallons times ang technique gida ni kaya nga ma-cancel, no? Ana, and then kanina dayon. So it would come out nga 100 gallons is equal to 0.3785 cubic meters.